Hi guys, welcome to the vlog. Today we are going to unbox a bag, EDC bag from Pacsafe. Okay, this is Pacsafe Metrosafe compact cross bag. Nabili ko sa Shopee for around 3,500. Originally 4,800 siya. Nabili ko ng discounted price for only 3,800 siguro, kasama na shipping and vouchers. Okay, this is the bag. Magnetic siya. Actual size niya pala guys, 7.5 by 10 inches. 7.5 by 10 inches. Okay, magnetic siya. May zipper pocket sa loob, RFID, ballpen holder, yung sling niya ay may wire din sa loob. Hindi siya gaanong makapal unlike sa other Pacsafe, pero may wire siya, wired. May nakalagay reduce ocean plastic. Ito naman yung lock mechanism niya. Lock na, and to unlock, press nyo lang po and unlock. Sa loob, may Pacsafe siya dito, tapos caution and key holder, and may zipper pocket sa loob. Silica gel. Okay, test natin yung MatePad 11 ko from Huawei. Check natin kung kasya. Sagad na po, and unfortunately hindi siya kasya. For the zipper, and okay, and lock. Yung sling naman ay may smart lock din. This one nakalock siya. Twist nyo lang po ito, this one, and pull. Okay, just like that. Comparing it to my trusty 5-year-old Metrosafe LS100 rather. Okay, here's the side by side. This one is a little bit thinner. Quick check lang natin yung size. 7.5 by 10 din. Okay, yun lang guys. Thank you.